ReactJS functional versus class components. In this video, I will create a functional component and class component which both have same functionality. First, I will create a React app. The React app has been created. I'm going to run that. Yeah, the app is loading. Meanwhile, I will open in IDE. So here you can see React app which contain a couple of files here. Yeah, it's successfully loaded. So what I will do is that I will delete some of the files. We don't need this one, app.cs, app.js. I don't need this also. This also I don't need. I will keep only index.js. Rest of the files I don't need. So here I will do one thing. I will remove unnecessary import. I don't need these all import. For the testing, I will add one h1 hello h1. Yeah, hello came. So what I will do is that I am going to create two components with the same functionality. One is in a function form, another one is a class form. First I will start with the function. Just to start a function and give a name, I will start with a capital function, functional component, functional component, functional component, return. So here start with the div and add I will write a functional component. Okay, this is how you start a functional component. And if you want to create a corresponding class component, what you need to set, start with the class component extends react dot components. So inside that you need to define a method render. Just define the method render and add a similar return there. So here instead of a function, add a class. So we created two components, one in functional form, another one is a component form. Functional form, we are just starting a function, starting with a capital letter. For a class component, we start the class component and extends react.component. Inside that you need to use the render method. That's all. So here what I will do is that I will remove this one. I'll add here functional component. I'll add a horizontal line. Here I will add class component. That's it. I'll check it is working. Now you can see functional component and class component. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I am going to add a background color for this block. You can add a style. Here you can add a background color. You can add a red. You can copy the same thing to class component. Instead of red, I will add a green. Now you can see functional component got a background color, and the class component also got a background color. So now what I want is that instead of hard coding this value, I want to pass that value from the component here. I'll add a bg color, yellow, and here bg color blue. So if you passing value like this, you need to use a argument here. I will add props. Now the value will be available in this props, so you can use that props here, props dot bg color. So in class component, what you need to do is that one, you can use this dot props dot bg color. This is the props is by default you will get this variable whenever you are passing some value there, but in functional component you can specify whatever name you want. It's not a mandatory name, you can add any name here, but in a class component you should specify this one, this dot props. Now let us check whether it's working or not. Now you can see we got the value from through props. This is how you have to accept the parameter from the component. One is you need to specify the argument in the function, another one is use this props. Okay, now we need to look at state, how to use the state here. For that what I am going to do is that I am going to add input value. Here I need to specify value. So before that, what I will do is that one, I will define a state here, const bg color, set bg color, use state. So you can see here automatically they added a use state. So what is the default value state here? So I will do one thing, from this props bg color I will take that one and I will make that as a default value for the bg color, and I will use this bg color variable here, bg color. This is the variable we defined here. I will use that one. Props dot bg color will be default value. Now this is how we define use state in functional component. How we will use in class component. For that, what you need to do is that one, you need to specify a constructor. Inside a constructor you can use the props. This is how you will receive a props. First pass to parent props. Now here specify the state. This state equal to bg color. This is how you can initialize props dot bg color. So here use state we specified like this to initialize a state. In class component you can specify like this state equal to bg color, like then you can specify. Now here this instead of props you can use this state bg color. That's all. This is how you specify bg color, initializing the state. I need to add that later. Now let us look. I'll change the value here. Instead of yellow, orange. Instead of blue, cyan. Yeah, we change it. So in this, just now we learned how to initialize a state. In functional component we use use state, and in class component we will initialize in the constructor using the this dot state, and we will specify the object. Inside that we specified our state. So you will accept like this dot state bg color. Now we want to learn how to use this set bg color. So for that, what I will do is that I will add input. Inside I will add initial values of input is bg color, and on change, basically this input field will be used to change the background color. So on change, you will get the event. When clicking, we will get the event. Then set bg color e dot target dot value. This, basically whenever you're changing that value, it will automatically set that input value to set as bg color. Let me check whether it's yeah, you can see here orange came. I will change to red. Yeah, red came. Yellow. Yeah. So this is how basically what I have done is that I created an input field and given bg color as the default value, and whenever on change happening to that input field, bg color value will be changed. Now how to use the same functionality in class? I am going to add input here. Now instead of this bg color, you here use this dot state dot bg color. Yeah, here set bg color is there. Instead of that one, what you need to do is this dot state, this dot set state. Here use an object bg color, and use this e dot target dot value as value. Yeah, this all. If you want to specify the value, use this dot state dot bg color. If you want to change the value, use this dot set state and specify the object which contain the property you want to change. Here bg color dot e dot target dot value. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, now you can see class component also got input field. Now you can change here value, black, red, green. Here you can use magenta, I don't know spelling. Oh, that one only. I don't know, magenta. Okay, magenta. Okay, it's working fine. So I will summarize it once again. So I'm going to render two component with the same functionality. One is a functional component, and another is a class component. In functional component, you need to use a function, and props you can pass as a variable argument to the function. In the case of a class component, you need to declare a class by extending react.component and specify the constructor which accepts the props. So you need to pass that to superclass like this. And to create a state, you need to use this syntax. Here in class component, you can do this dot state equal to what is the value you want to for the state. And here you can use the set bg color to change this state. In the case of class component, you need to use this dot set state and pass the entire object. Here we want to change only one property of the only one state we have, so we specified one state. That's all. Thanks for watching.